Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in additional of today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, January the 11th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with apologies, and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblok. In Dutch they call it cijferblok, and in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. And the first I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku. Why? Well, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, 3 star Sudoku number 5774. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Alright, we have here 1, 2 twos. We have here 3 twos. We have here 2 fours. We have here 1 5. We have here 2 sixes, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 4 nines. So the ones and the nines are a majority. Can I start with the 1? Let me see. And the 1, correction, 5 ones. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about the 9? Well, 9. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this row, no 9 in that box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here 9 in the row below, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Okay. Alright. 9. No, cannot continue with the 9. How about we have a pair. The 6 and 8 in this row. The 6 and 8 in the row above, the middle row. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Alright. 3 7 2. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 2 goes there. Alright. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes at there. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. Wait. 8, 6, 4, 8, 6, 4. Okay. Well. How about 7? Yeah. 1. Need a 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this column could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 3 in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 7, 5, 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 in this column should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. Well, it's not wise to mark those 2 boxes with the 4 and the 5, otherwise it will be a mess. So those 2 boxes, 4 and the 5, okay. We have a 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7, okay. 7. Alright. 9. Yeah, I'm thinking. 3, 1. Yeah. Alright. Need to think. 2. Well. 4 and 5, okay. 4 here, no 4. Yeah. 4. Come on, where's the opening? 8, 6, and 4, 8, 6, and 4. No. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in this second row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in the third, in this column, sorry. So no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this big square should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4, 6, 5. So we have here 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. Two missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 4 goes there. Three missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row. So no 4 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. One box left in this column for number, I believe, the 5, the 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, yes. Here we have two missing numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. That means we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the second row. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the second row, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 9. One box left in this second row for number the 1, the 2. The 3 is missing. All right. 3, 3. Okay. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. No. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. No. Well. Thinking. 1, 1. Alright, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. Then 6, 5, 5, 5. Okay. I'm thinking. 3, 3. Come on, 4, 4. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. Nope. 3, 2, 1. Well, we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. The 3 and a 7 in this column. The 3 and a 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places left for the 3 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. Okay, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then. 3, 2, 5. No. 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column. 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 and a 6. We have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. Okay. Alright. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Yeah, 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1 in this row. 1 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the third column. The 1 in the second column. So the first column. The only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the first row, so no one there. One should be there, and all the ones are used. I can see this is number 2, number 1. Right. Then then 3 and 7. Okay. Let me think. 3. How about 3, 2, 6 and 4, 6 and 4. One box left in this third row for the man. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2. Well, 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. So now we have a pair here. 4 and a 6. That means that this box can be 6 and more, because this is a pair, 4 and a 6. This box should be an 8 then, and this box should be a 6. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 and 6, we have a 6 now in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and 6, we have a 6 now in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The 4 in this column, the 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here for the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 3 and a 7. In the middle row, we have a 3 now in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. And the final number in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Double check. 3. Yes, correct. Solve it in 17 minutes. Wow. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, so it's a 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.